certificate of appreciation is presented to. This certificate verifies the person named above is an official appointed officer of the organization. We expect his or her active voluntary contribution to make CFMPI soar high. Given this 7th day of August 2025, during the CFMP recognition and outtaking of officers at Penthouse Abarding Court, Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, signed by Attorney Jean Nathaniel Gray Vizquera, Chief Operation Officer, Legal Counsel, Police Major Danilo A. Malab Jr., Vice President for Internal Affairs, Police Lieutenant Colonel Jose Jesus Dabo, National Vice Chairman, and Bishop Dr. Willie M. Blanca Jr., National Chairman and CEO. Unahin tawag po natin Elizabeth Bacani. Wala. Okay, next. Reminald Ray M. Cruz. Bilis. Okay. Managad. May. Okay. Alexander Pitalo Jr. John Paul Babas. John Paul Babas. Checo Lodendorf Aquino. Ani S. Templado. Kami kayo kay attorney. Tapos na. Okay. Pagkatapos magpa-picture kami kayo kay attorney. Huwag yan po yan. Raymark N. Fernandez. Alexander P. Gonzaga. Ni-rumble na po namin to, ha. Pangalan na lang kasi madami-dami. Alexander P. Gonzaga.